Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video will gonna show you how to use a VPN on iPhone in 2 methods. Let's dive in. Method 1. Manual Add VPN Configuration. Click Setting on iPhone, type VPN, then click the first one, scroll down to click VPN, and Device Management. Continue, click VPN, select Add VPN Configuration option. To get this information, you can search online for free VPN servers, or if you have a paid VPN, the provider will give you the details. Since it's hard to find free VPN and complicated to operate it, let's start more easier way. Download VPN app on iPhone. Open App Store on your iPhone, type VPN, and search. It's hard to find a security and reliable VPN among such many apps. So before download, you can search more information on YouTube to select the one you favorite. After reviewing many VPN products, I picked out the fastest, safest, and free VPN for TrialEye XVPN. Let's start setting up VPN on iPhone. Download XVPN on App Store, open it. You will see the privacy policy, hit the button to continue. When you first log into it, a VPN configurations prompt will pop up. Press the Allow option. Now you'll officially enter on XVPN. It provides new users with 2 models, an unlimited free version, a 7-day free trial. For the unlimited free version, all you need to do is tap the USE with ads button to enjoy the totally free version without sign-in. And it offers more than 1,000 servers in 17 countries. Click the Quick Connect panel, then choose a VPN server location. XVPN offers 3 lists for you to select VPN servers efficiently. You can change your virtual location between 225 locations in just a few seconds. XVPN supports multiple protocols, such as WireGuard and private protocols like Everest, which was developed by the XVPN team and includes 6 types of obfuscation. You can choose any of these options as you like. Just free download XVPN on the video description. If you have any question, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe us. See you in the next video.